Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and you can see we've got Hoof and Paw, an animal companion oracle, and it's an Angi Sullins deck. Now, those of you that follow me know that I absolutely love Angi Sullins. The artwork is by Stephanie Roberts. Now, it's a magnetic box with the little hoof prints there. If you want more influence over your life decisions and circumstances, the animal friends who inhabited your childhood have messages for you. Call them back, embrace them, heart to heart, soul to soul, hand to wing, hoof and paw. Okay, so before our imaginations were washed and scrubbed cleaner, weren't they just? We spent time with invisible friends, many of them in the animal kingdom. We recognised animals for what they truly are, emissaries of the marvellous. So this is the book that comes with it, and you've basically got, using the deck, each of the images, it's fully colour. And then at the back, we have about the author, the artist, and that's it. Need more support? Oh, lovely. Okay, so that's the booklet that comes with it. It's in this box. Let me open it and take. You get a bag with it as well, which is always quite handy. And then there's a bear in there, look, at the back of base with a little teddy bear. Lovely. Okay, so they are gorgeous. They are purple gilded, and then on the back of each one of them you've got these gorgeous flowers. They look like carnations to me. Very summery. Okay, so let's have a look at them, and then I'll cut them in half and show you how they work in a second. We'll pull a random card. So you've got number one. Isn't that a lovely hedgehog? Oh my goodness me, a seal. Enthusiasm. Only this is the animal's energy as well, isn't it? Because goats are very resilient. An octopus, creative problem solving. These feel very playful. Devotion of the dog. Soothing for the bee. Pace over race for the turtle. Trust for the deer. Communing with ghosts, a lemur. The cat, receptivity. Polar bear is powerful allies. The hummingbird, wonder. Imagination for the unicorn. Adapting. They do have to adapt, don't they, the penguin. Self-worth. Okay. Discernment. I'm glad they've done that, because it's usually he's always cunning, isn't he? So we learn not to trust the fox. But whale, limitless possibility. Befriending self. Playful. Rabbit, listening. Raven, my cat, came in to say hello then. I don't know if you heard him. I've got a dog. I've just rescued a dog in the background, and it makes sense that all these animals are coming out to play now. And there's a dog in the background that I've rescued, and he won't leave me, so he's a little bit snory. And then I have a cat who decided to come and say hello then. Whenever I get the cards out, they usually do. Owl, dreaming. He's coming through the window, the naughty boy. Okay, so squirrel. Laughter of the monkey. Look at the sass of the flamingo. These are so cute, aren't they? The freedom of a horse. I guess it is kind of risky being a giraffe, isn't it? Rebirth of the bat. Look at this. Oh, authenticity of the peacock. They usually make them very showy, don't they? Communion of the elephant and the pleasure of the dolphin, because we love to see the dolphin. So I'm just going to literally grab the book, and I'm going to say, right, what cards should we like for today? Doesn't matter that I haven't shuffled them, I'm going to say. Okay. Dear, trust. So then if we go dear, trust. Oh, they're in number order, aren't they? So then that would have helped. Maria. Dear, trust. There we go. Number 11. One of the deer's most staggering characters is her decision to leave her young alone while she forages for food. This means solitude for the vulnerable deer child, which fosters a sense of trust and healthy independence. Just because a parent, guide, teacher or blessing was there 1 minute and not the next does not mean you are truly abandoned. The love keeps us company, encouraging us to trust in what we cannot see. I think this is quite good for us at the moment, don't you? All of us, really. learning to foster a little bit of trust. Aloneness begins to nurture a sense of self-reliance and self-trust. The little one within wants to be able to trust you and themselves. For that, they need to know that you will return when you say you will, attending to their nourishment. One thing is for certain, when you decide to look in the mirror and see the innocence of a young fawn who is awaiting your kind words, loving touch and gentle reassurance, you are harnessing the beloved power of the deer. How lovely. Okay, so those are the Wing, Hoof and Paw, an animal, very fun little gentle deck by Angi Sullins, produced by US Games. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.